Prepare to be astounded. The Zimbabwe gold, or ZiG, recently introduced as the nation's currency, is proving to be a nightmare rather than a dream come true. This shocking revelation comes from none other than President Emerson Mnangagwa, who, in a surprising twist, lauded Zimbabweans for embracing what many consider to be an utterly futile monetary system. Zimbabwe, a nation already grappling with economic hardship, finds itself further thrust into uncertainty with the endorsement of the ZiG by Mnangagwa. The launch of the ZiG was hailed as a remedy to the country's currency crisis. However, instead of fostering assurance, it has only deepened doubt and difficulties. From the get-go, the ZiG has been marred by glaring shortcomings. Mnangagwa's claims of nationwide unity in accepting the ZiG contrast sharply with the actual situation. Zimbabweans, far from welcoming this novel currency, have greeted it with widespread resistance and scorn. They're skeptical, and rightfully so, as the ZiG's worth has nosedived even before it could secure a foothold in the economy. One of the most scathing criticisms against the ZiG is its failure to serve as a viable medium of exchange. It's unable to pass even the simplest test, buying fuel. This significant flaw renders it practically worthless in a country heavily dependent on fuel for transport and industry. Worse still, the government itself refuses to recognize the ZiG as legal tender for crucial services such as taxes and passport fees. In essence, Mnangagwa's brainchild is handicapped from the start, lacking the fundamental utility necessary for a functioning currency. Mnangagwa's misguided optimism peaked during a Monday address at the National Heroes Acre, where he commended Zimbabweans for embracing the ZiG. However, his praise seems empty in the face of mounting proof of the currency's failure. Instead of celebrating, Zimbabweans are grappling with the harsh reality of a currency that holds little value and offers even less hope for their economic prosperity. The launch of ZiG notes and coins was intended to usher in a new era of economic stability. Yet rather than building confidence, it has only magnified the prevailing sense of uncertainty. With cash withdrawal limits set at ZiG 3,000 for individuals and ZiG 30,000 for corporations, Mnangagwa's administration appears out of touch with the daily struggles of ordinary citizens. Behind the facade of optimism lies a grim reality. The Zimbabwean economy is in a tailspin. Mnangagwa's decision to replace the Zimbabwe dollar with the ZiG has done little to halt the rapid depreciation of the nation's currency. Despite claims of substantial reserves, including $100 million in foreign currency and 2.5 tons of gold valued at $185 million, the economic outlook looks dismal. As Zimbabweans grapple with the harsh realities of daily life, Mnangagwa's ill-conceived economic gamble has only added to their burden. In a nation crying out for visionary leadership and pragmatic solutions, the ZiG stands as a stark reminder of Mnangagwa's incapacity to navigate the complexities of economic governance. Unless decisive action is taken to address the root causes of Zimbabwe's economic woes, the nightmares of the ZiG are set to haunt the nation for years to come. The tale of Zimbabwe's economy is one of missed opportunities and misguided decisions, with the ZiG serving as a glaring example of the latter. The impact of the ZiG is a testament to the country's economic struggles, a grim reminder of the hardships that Zimbabweans face daily, and a symbol of the challenges that lie ahead.